Hey everyone, today we are talking about flamingos. These beautiful birds are known for their vibrant pink feathers and their unique habit of standing on one leg. But did you know that flamingos were actually considered sacred birds in ancient Egypt? Let's start by talking about their appearance. Flamingos are tall, slender birds with long, thin necks and legs. They have a distinctive hooked beak that they use to filter food from the water. And of course, they are famous for their bright pink feathers. The color comes from the pigments in the algae and crustaceans they eat. Now, where do these fascinating creatures live? Flamingos are found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world, typically in shallow lakes, lagoons, and coastal areas. They prefer habitats with plenty of algae and other food sources. Flamingos are social animals and live in large flocks that can number in the thousands. They often gather in shallow water, where they use their long legs to wade and their hooked beaks to filter food from the water. They are also known for their elaborate courtship displays, which involve synchronized movements and calls. One of the most interesting things about flamingos is their habit of standing on one leg. This is a common behavior among birds, and it's thought to help them conserve energy and stay warm. When a flamingo stands on one leg, it can rest the other leg and reduce the amount of blood flow to the foot, which helps to conserve heat. And that's a little bit about flamingos. These amazing birds are truly unique, and their history and behavior are fascinating to learn about. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of flamingos, those elegant birds with their iconic pink plumage. You might be surprised to learn that flamingos have a deep connection to ancient Egyptian culture, where they were considered sacred. But before we get into that, let's explore some of the basics about these amazing creatures. Flamingos are known for their unique diet, which consists mainly of tiny crustaceans, algae, and other aquatic organisms. They filter these organisms from the water using their specialized beaks, which are designed to trap food while allowing water to escape. This filtering process is incredibly efficient, allowing flamingos to consume large quantities of food in a short amount of time. Now, let's talk about flamingo reproduction. These birds are known for their elaborate courtship rituals, which often involve synchronized movements and vocalizations. After mating, female flamingos lay a single egg in a mound of mud or vegetation. Both parents share the responsibility of incubating the egg and caring for the chick. Once hatched, flamingo chicks are dependent on their parents for food and protection. You might be wondering, how long do flamingos live? Well, on average, flamingos can live for 200 to 30 years in the wild. However, their lifespan can vary depending on factors such as habitat, food availability, and predation. One of the most intriguing aspects of flamingos is their ability to stand on one leg for extended periods. This behavior has been the subject of much scientific debate, but the most widely accepted explanation is that it helps conserve energy. By standing on one leg, flamingos can reduce the amount of muscle activity required to maintain balance, allowing them to rest while remaining alert to their surroundings. Now, let's talk about the connection between flamingos and humans. In ancient Egypt, flamingos were revered as sacred birds, often associated with the god Thoth, who was the patron of wisdom, magic, and writing. The Egyptians believed that flamingos possessed supernatural powers and that their feathers held magical properties. Flamingos are also featured in art and literature throughout history. From ancient Egyptian hieroglyphics to modern paintings, these birds have captured the imagination of artists and writers alike. Their vibrant colors, graceful movements, and unique adaptations have made them a popular subject for creative expression. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the fascinating world of flamingos, those elegant birds with their deep connection to ancient Egyptian culture. I hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about the natural world.